Welcome to ANTRED Private Limited. We are proud to be the leading CNC router manufacturer in the eastern part of India. Today, we are excited to introduce our latest innovation, the high-speed Super Servo CNC router. This state-of-the-art model is designed to optimize efficiency and precision, allowing you to complete a door carving in just 4 to 5 hours. With advanced technology and superior performance, our new CNC router is set to revolutionize your woodworking projects. We invite you to take a closer look and see how this cutting-edge equipment can enhance your craftsmanship and productivity. This machine have 4.5 kWer 32 mm spindle along with temperature control. It's have solid structure column for smooth finishing. The LM rail guide block is 25 mm make Haven Taiwan. It's have planetary gearbox for XY axis as make Shimpo Japan. The rack pinion size is 25 mm made by YYC Taiwan. It's have automatic Z calibration tool sensor, semi-automatic lubrication system. Please like, subscribe and follow for more update. You can also visit our workshop for live demonstration.